After 3 hours and 4 almost heart attacks, we finally made it to Pai, and now we are at our hostel, which is called Juno Hostel, which is really nice. It seems like this is all concentrated on a main road, and this hostel in particular offers free coffee, free bananas, free toast, really comfy chairs, and it seems like it's super close to everything. And it was like 10 bucks a night, so I'm not upset. I'm gonna munch on my really enormous banana now. Some things that we are planning on doing today though is Pai is known for having a really interesting hippie scene, so we're gonna go to some of the hippie bars and see what's up, and then really just like rest. I got no sleep last night. I was so anxious about this trip, but we've made it. We've survived. It was beautiful. You would get like pockets of like really hot, like the sun is on you, and then pockets of ice cold. We had a few buffalo that I wish I would have caught on camera for you guys that were literally on our side of the road. We had to go on the other side because they were just, there was like 3 of them just hanging, munching on some grass on the middle of the road. And then it was a bunch of potholes, and man, there were so many turns. I mean, I know that people tell you that, and like 762 is a really big number, but it's so different when you're the one like on the motorbike going like completely sideways. I just closed my eyes. Daniel said I was the perfect passenger though. It helps when you don't know what's happening. Kevin, thank you.
All right, so you said we can choose any.
Ready?
Now that we've gotten settled into our room, we're gonna take a nap because we're really tired. Ugh.
Y'all, I'm down for the count. Tonight, we are going to the Pai night market. The place that Daniel booked us, which he did an incredible job booking the place that we're at, has a great location. So much so that from the roof of our room, or like the balcony, we're able to see the night market that's right behind us. And guys, it looks like an amusement park, carnival, street fair. It even has a giant Ferris, well not giant, but it has a Ferris wheel. And it's all lit up, it's super pretty. In right now to the night market, and it is so much bigger than we expected. There's just a bunch of tents, there's a Ferris wheel, there's announcement, like people are talking over a loudspeaker, there's a place for concerts. It smells incredible. Desserts, shakes, smoothies, meats, so good.
Alright, so what are you doing?
Leave เลขเดียวไม่ได้นะคะโดนตัวเลขก็ได้นะคะโดนขอบขาวก็ได้อย่างนี้ปลาใหม่ได้ค่ะไม่เสียตังค์ดีได้เส้นดำไม่ได้ได้หมดเลยในขอบสี่เหลี่ยมโดนได้หมดเลย1 ดอง 1 ตัวใหญ่นะคะปลาลวกปลาโหลดให้ปลาใหม่อย่างนี้ปลาใหม่ได้ค่ะ
Guys, this place is incredible. It's so crazy busy.
Yeah, and loud, and we have new friends, and we're eating all of the food, and it looks delicious. We're about to try some donuts.
Oreo. One of these looks like strawberry coconut.
The donut I ended up getting was an Oreo donut. I know, I'm like not original at all, but so delicious and awesome. I love it.
So I ended up getting like an angel hair pasta, which the only reason we got it was because we were walking by and they literally just dumped it all out of the pan. We were like, yes, we'll take one of those that's hot and fresh. That is really good. I usually don't like this kind of pasta. It's very lightly seasoned, so it's nothing crazy. There's just like a light cabbage flavor with some kind of oil that tastes really good and it's making my mouth water.
สวัสดีค่ะได้ไหนคะ50 บาทค่ะ50 บาทขอบคุณค่ะ
Here you go. I'm sorry, I'm being slow. Katoska.
Guys, that was such a cool find, and that happened completely on accident. We were actually looking for the Thai walking street, which is 10 minutes away from here, and we ended up stumbling upon a carnival, playing some games. It was really cool, and best of all, we were like the only foreigners there. We saw maybe 2 other people who weren't Thai in the whole market, or I'm sorry, the whole carnival, and it was so busy. So we got some desserts. It feels like a pancake with like buttercream on the inside and then toasted rice flakes on top. So time to dig in. Oh my god, it's exactly what I described. Wow. I'm in love. This is the same thing, just with, I think, boba, but it more tastes like strawberry gelatin that's a little stiffer. My favorite. We haven't had roti since we were in Malaysia, and so to be able to eat our favorite Malay food
And hopefully not drop it on the ground.
I almost did that. I'm really excited. It's literally just delicious to like put it in your mouth. So greasy, but so good. I like them all. I don't know which one to get. After having been to a carnival literally just a few minutes ago, the night market is a little underwhelming, I think.
But I mean, the carnival is also like way too much.
Yeah, but this is beautiful and peaceful and has so many food options for really affordable prices. Like, we just paid for 3 really big veggie rolls. We paid 20 baht, which is
75 cents?
Yeah, with
66
sauce.
cents.
And they're so filling and just delicious. Like most things in Thailand, come on now.
Right.
อร่อยมาก ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ Honestly, we were meant to like tell you about the delicious mango sticky rice that
You're
we
supposed to. Oh, I just splattered stuff.
He has spilled this on himself now twice. We destroyed it so fast. It was the most moist, the sweetest, and the savoriest mango sticky rice we've ever had. And the mango, she gave me so much.
It was like the fattest mango I've seen here, and she just like sliced the entire thing on to where like she had to rubber band the box closed.
Yes. And they typically only do half of a mango and charge you the same. And it was super ripe, so love it.